go over and ride?
Yeah. You want to go ride? Hey, you guys, want to go ride? That's our arena. Hey, we could go swim the horses. It's supposed to be good exercise for them.
I wonder if we'll have fish in it this time.
Yeah.
I fish in it last time.
Actually, we're probably gonna be like, guys, new home. Come on, guys, let's go swim.
It looks like it's running across the...
Yeah, it's not too bad. Waterfront view. Jumps are gone.
You wanna go get a boat?
Yeah, we should invest in a boat, actually.